Corey from WiscoMTB. After seeing some great reviews of the Levis Mound trail system in central Wisconsin, we figured it was finally our turn to check it out. And boy, were we in for a treat. The Levis and Troll Mound mountain bike trails consist of 41 miles of technical and flowy trails. These trails wind and climb around the sandstone bluffs which were formed thousands of years ago after the glaciers receded, leaving a beautiful landscape for such great trails.
Sandy here. Sandy and soft.
During your ascent up Toad Road, you're going to come to a spot where you can climb atop one of the sandstone cliffs and overlook all of central Wisconsin. It's quite the view, but more importantly, you'll be able to sit there and catch your breath after the grueling climb.
This is the top of the Toad Trail here, and I'm just getting to the top of this outcropping of rock here. Woo! Feel the leg burn. I think these are the exact trails that our local warned us about. Said we would have our work cut out for us.
Toad Road unless you like climbing.
Yeah, with some nasty roots and some nice rock features and lots of sand. Lots of sand. But we're at the top here. Pretty cool setup.
Pretty steep hike up to the top of this mound. Pretty cool.
Put on my pedal on that one. Did a hike a bike over a lot of tough features here. Just not ready to ride yet. That's all right. This is day 3 of riding, so my legs are pretty much tanked anyway. And of course that's affecting my fitness, and it's affecting my balance most of all. That's fine.
So all the trails at Levis Mound seem to be multi-directional trails. With that being said, you get different outcomes from going different directions. If you're going uphill, you'll get a steep, technical climb, sure to be going around rocks and roots and other obstacles. While if you go the same trail downward side, you'll be treated with a nice flowy descent down to the bottom of the mound. However, you do have to be careful of oncoming bikers coming at you from the other direction. Riding over the rocks, between the rocks, and under the rocks are just some of the great features on this trail. Along with some great descents, Toad Road definitely tested our abilities, especially after riding in Cuyuna for a couple days. The tech and obstacles made for a pretty janky ride, but the views and scenery we think are some of the best in all of Badger State. We can't wait to come back and ride the Cliffhanger Trail next, just on some fresher legs for sure.
There's definitely some cool riding back in here.
just slipping right out there.
Again, this is Corey with WiscoMTB. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this content, hit the like button and subscribe. In addition to the Levis Mound trails, we'll be riding more trails in and around Wisconsin like the Kettle Moraine trails and the Corp trails around the city of Madison and Dane County. We're excited to share our return to mountain biking and hopefully to bring a few of you along for the ride.